Hey, I'm quite confused. Can you help me out with this? To me recently, I have a pet in my hometown. It's German Shepherd dog. I usually go to my hometown in weekends. When I go there, the first thing my pet asks me for is she wants to go out for a walk. So I usually take it. I have some neighbor aunties who give suggestions all the time. In that, one of them usually talks negative in any situation, and another one picks positive things in every situation. Here it's a live example. When I take my dog out, one neighborhood auntie told me that, hey, you usually come here in a weekend. Then why do you take the dog out? If you go back, she will ask for everyone to take her out. I felt negative. And one fine day, I took dog out again. Another neighborhood auntie told to my dog, hey, you didn't get any chance to go out. This is the right time. Whenever he comes home, make sure you go out for a walk, at least in a week. I felt positive. In last, quite confused. In this situation, what will be your decision? Yes, our life is like this too. We often listen to the positive and negative things all the time. Whatever you decide to take in your mind, I probably choose positive. What do you prefer? Comment below. One more thing, you all are awesome. Thank you so much.